Welcome back to another season pass video. Let's unbox everything. The dress is so pretty. Here is a full costume. Now let's see the different sizes. This is my favorite size, ordinary. Baby size. Long-legged. Trustworthy. Here is a new toy. Before I show you the furniture, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching so far. This is so cute and we can store one fish in here. Whoa, this teddy bear glows. So pretty. And this is a spot where you can fish. Here is a boat. Speed is quite fast. I rate this season pass a 10 out of 10 because I love the furniture, the clothes and the boat. It's just so pretty. Thanks for watching. See you next time.